Is it sure football bets investing or just unsafe soccer gambling? This is the most confusing question that every pundit, expert, or even football gambler are asking themselves right now, today. Do you hear many of these questions and wonder how and where you can get the correct answers that satisfies those concerns? Then welcome to my channel. I'm Dixon, the Lord King of Monetization, and today I'm answering all these queries and worries to your satisfaction. And before I dive into details, remember to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Then turn on the notification bell, drop a like and share this video to your friends and family in social media platforms including WhatsApp groups, Telegram channels, Facebook timelines and groups, stroke pages, Instagrams, new feeds and stories, or even you can tweet or retweet in Twitter this video links to your account. First, with this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic affecting nearly over 200 countries worldwide, many people are tensed and confused, even broke and also ill. It might not be physically, but even emotionally or even economically. Many are confused or even curfewed and locked down to their various homes and are wondering what to do in order to make money to continue surviving or even affording the necessary upkeep expenses like food, clothing, shelter, utilities like water and electricity. And with this current notion that all football matches have been postponed, this is the most stupid and nerve-based idea I have ever heard of. Leagues like Belarus and also international club friendlies football games are always playing daily, and people out there are claiming that there are no games ongoing, no business ongoing, everything is locked down. These active football matches enable more gamblers continue to make profits as you complain and suck around like a bitch, pretending there is nothing to do in order to earn money. First, you should ask yourself the following questions. After this COVID-19 pandemic is over, where will I be? How will I survive, and where will I be working? How will I recover economically, financially, or even socially when currently I'm not working? Also ask yourself, where should you get the money that you need right now to pay your bills and afford a decent home or even a meal? Then you should come to realization that you should take advantage of this pandemic and make more money that you have ever made in your life. That by the time the pandemic is over, you will just launch your business or even a company or even your investment directly and continue with your life as normally as possible. Don't start from zero. Don't struggle anymore, because you are the first one to get this vital and important valuable information. Don't just gamble for the sake of. Be strategic and establish your own goals. Then start investing on football betting for 100% guaranteed to win matches and even make more profits today. If you are really tired of losing your hard-earned money on fake predictions or even analysis to online betting sites and bookies, inbox us right now. If you are really fed up of being scammed by these social media tricksters and con artists claiming to have fixed matches, and when you pay them they give you fake prediction, or even worse of them, they block you immediately, contact us today to solve this problem. If you are also tired of being broke and you are not working or even don't have anything to eat tonight or even somewhere to sleep, or even you don't have an active income source during these hard economic times. Text us right now. We will make you afford these decent meals, clothes, and even shelter. Don't struggle anymore financially. When you have this golden opportunity presented to you to salvage yourself financially and also economically and make thousands and millions of dollars and euros, when people continue to suck, complain, and lament of this fucking COVID-19 virus, we will help you pay all your money, debts, hospital bills, school fees, rent, water, and electricity bills, including transport fares, and even buy vehicles and homes that you have ever desired during this time. These are the main reasons that you should consider then join our VIP community team. First, we offer affordable and flexible VIP packages. Secondly, our games are 100% safe and sure, guaranteed to win as confirmed by match officials and team managers or even the players playing the ground. Third, active VIP subscribers pay less, even half of the normal subscription fee every 3 days. The fourth reason is from our clients' testimonials. We are the most accredited, verified, legit, and trustworthy source across the globe, as we offer unique tickets characterized by similar and uniform results, something that no other source has ever achieved in this planet. Fifth, our odds are relatively high to help you maximize your profits and win more money. Sixth, we have a free 24 hours deal, VIP edition, for new subscribers starting this week. So, as you can see from our previous confidence matches, you can notice that our games have never lost, and also from our enthusiastic active VIP members, our games have been delivering 100% expected results without any fail, hesitations, hiccups, or even delays, as making our customers improve in their living standards and increase their net worth. Today's VIP matches are ready. Those interested, contact us today through this number, +2547 18742176. Here at Dixon Bets, we understand the current situation of this coronavirus. That's why we have made the tickets as affordable as possible to enable you access them without no hiccups. So take advantage of this golden chance and change your financial life and status forever. Ready to win in box us. Remember to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video to your friends on social media.